Good morning. Welcome back to the Panda Clan. Today's video is a morning cleaning routine collab with my friend Mary from Homemaking Like a Mother. On her channel, you'll find cleaning motivation, meal preps, cooking. She is a wonderful cook. Her food always looks so amazing and so delicious. So after this video, go check out her channel and I'll have her down in the description box. So I filmed this video right after Christmas time. So I was so overwhelmed about where to put everything. And of course, that is my new desk area right there that I'm pointing at. And I just absolutely love it. I can do my voiceovers whenever I want, edit whenever I want, and it's just amazing. If you do not have a desk for your spot, I highly recommend it. Okay, let's get this area organized. So my little one got that castle tent for Christmas that I just moved over. She absolutely loves it. She's always hiding in there and bringing stuff to play inside. My little one is always running around with towels, pretending to clean up messes. Anyone else's little one do this? And she has so many books. This book stand is actually a fish stand. If you've seen my older videos, then you've seen my fish. But we had to get rid of him because my little one would reach up to see him. And I was terrified that someday it would fall over on her. So we got rid of everything and it works great for keeping her books in one spot. We were walking around the dollar store and I saw this tiny broom. And my little one is always stealing mine, so I thought it was really cute to get it to her, and she just loves it. Today, I finally got around to cleaning her jumper. She only sits in her jumper when I need to distract her with Elmo so I can get some work done or during her breakfast. So I have tons of spilled milk to clean up and I'm so bad with cleaning the jumper, I always forget about it. The mat looks so bad also with dry milk, but I didn't get a chance to mop because the little one was freaking out upstairs. She thinks she's grown now and doesn't need nap time anymore. So she is very cranky in the afternoons. She also started doing this combination of yelling / shrieking / crying. Is anyone else experiencing this? Yay, the living room is all done. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. I will post next Monday at 10 a.m. And don't forget to go and check out Mary's video as well. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.